Manim is a powerful animation engine designed for creating explanatory math videos. Developed by the Manim community, it's not affiliated with 3Blue1Brown. This open-source tool allows for precise, programmatic animations. Users can try Manim in an online Jupyter environment or install it locally following specific instructions for their OS. Manim's versatility is showcased through example scenes, like transforming a square into a circle. Command line arguments enhance functionality with options for previewing and faster rendering. Comprehensive documentation is available on Read the Docs, and a Docker image is maintained for ease of use. The community offers help through Discord and Reddit and welcomes contributions, especially in testing and documentation. Manim is double licensed under the MIT license, supporting effective communication of research through mathematical animations.